now for the exciting conclusion of our discussion of naive Bayes classification. So here in G26 through G29, we'll enter from drop-down boxes the demographic information on a person, and then we'll figure out basically in row 23 the chance that they're a subscriber by naive Bayes or a non-subscriber. In this case, the person is more likely to be a subscriber. Okay, so let's say we take a Generation X person who's a male, who's middle-aged, and it lives in a suburban area. So remember what we have to do here. We've got to take the likelihoods, basically, given the class times the prior probability of the class. Well, the probability prior, so we'll do that for subscribers. So how do we get the likelihoods down here? Well, we have to look it up. And so what I've used is the indirect function. I've given range names. This range has been named age, the blue is gender, the yellow is income, and the green is location. So I put those things here because then I can do a clever lookup I can copy across. So in other words, if they're Generation X, indirect, go to the age range, and in the second row where you see Gen X, pick out the likelihood. Now here for non-subscriber, you pick out the likelihood of a non-subscriber, so that's going to come from the third row. So it's for age there, you get the 0.46 and the 0.396. Now for male, by the same procedure, you get the 0.67, the 0.43, etc. So we now have the likelihoods for a Generation X, male, middle-aged, suburban for subscriber, and for non-subscriber, we just go to the third row of each range. Okay, for the subscribers, we look it up in the second row of each range. But by using indirect, I can have a nice efficient way to copy based on these range names to pull all the likelihoods. So now what's the numerator? It's the product of the likelihoods times the prior probability. Okay. So basically, we would get basically right here the naive Bayes estimate of the numerator here for basically a subscriber. Take the product of the likelihoods for subscribers, then subscribers divided by total is the prior probability of subscriber. Now in this column, we take the product of the non-subscribers times the non-subscribers divided by total, etc. Okay, so now we've got a 53% chance. Okay, this is the numerator, but to make it into a probability, we have to divide this numerator divided by the sum of the numerators, so these add to 1. So we've got a 53% chance that the person be classified as a subscriber given their Generation X male, middle income suburban. Now, what if they're rural, female? It's not going to be much chance here. Let's say middle income, female, and let's say they're old. Okay, we got an 87% chance they're not a subscriber, a 13% chance they're a subscriber. So basically, that's the completion of naive Bayes. So it's very simple. You find the prior probabilities, you find the likelihoods for each attribute, for each possible value of it using COUNTFSs, and then you multiply all the likelihoods together times the prior probabilities to get sort of a relative likelihood for each of the classes, and then basically you can get a posterior probability. And in practice, naive Bayes works pretty well. So good luck with it.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.